So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website of the graphic card, so you can download a driver any devices. You can see this is search button. So click on this. After that enter your model number B760M space and H. Then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then scroll down. Then click on second page. Third page. So this one BH60MH. So click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Both installations process same. Select any which is using. So this is your first audio driver. You can size, this is size. Just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. So it is completed. Just open it. Then double click to launch. And then click on yes. Now this is installing. So it is done means this is automatically close it. Chipset driver. So first install this one serial. Click to download. Start download. After that you can see this is, and just double click and click on yes. So it is closed, means it's done. Enough installed. This one also try. Click to download and just open. And double click to exe. Then yes. So guys, it is closed, means this is installed. LAN driver. So this is Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. And just open it. And double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So it is completed. After that, close it. Then VGA driver. You can see this is VGA driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So it is just completed. After that, open. Then just double click to launch after downloaded. So it is double click and then next to install, and after that restart. So same installations process.